Step your left foot through. Bring the two ends together. Glide them down. Slide those two ends through your big toe and your second toe and along the sole of your foot. Onto your left tippy toes, root your right foot. Sling the strap over your shoulder. Walk your left hand up a little bit more. Then hug everything to the middle. So left inner thigh squeezes to the middle, left elbow squeezes to the middle, and pubic bone and sternum begin to communicate. Right arm by your side, take an inhale, puff up your chest, and then exhale, kick your foot into the strap, let your left elbow draw back a little bit, keep it hugging in. Good. Take another inhale, reach your right arm forward and up, and as you exhale, kick and reach. Come all the way back up. We're going to go just a little bit deeper. See if you can walk your left hand up the strap a little bit. Squeeze the middle, navel to spine, inhale. And exhale, kick, kick, kick. Inhale, come all the way up. And release.